Hello and welcome to Craft Catalog. Some furniture pieces instantly look expensive the moment you see them. Clean lines, balanced shapes, smooth finishes, they feel like something you'd find in a high-end showroom. But here's the surprising truth, many of those designs are actually very simple to build. In this video, we're exploring simple wooden stool designs that look surprisingly expensive. These ideas focus on shape, proportion, and finishing, not complexity. Because what really makes a stool look premium is not how difficult it is to build, but how well it is designed. If you've ever thought that high-end furniture requires advanced tools or years of experience, this video will change that mindset. The difference between a basic stool and a designer-looking piece often comes down to small details, angles, spacing, thickness, and how everything fits together visually. Let's start with the first design, the minimalist block stool. This design is all about simplicity and presence. A solid block or cube shape creates a bold visual impact. The key here is proportion. The stool should feel balanced, not too tall, not too bulky. Edges are slightly softened, just enough to remove sharpness while keeping the form clean. A natural finish highlights the wood grain, giving it a premium look without adding decoration. The second design is the tapered leg stool. Tapered legs instantly elevate a basic stool. By narrowing the legs toward the bottom, the stool looks lighter and more refined. This is a small change, but it makes a big difference. The angles add elegance and make the stool feel intentional rather than basic. If you're finding this helpful, take a moment to subscribe to Craft Catalog. We focus on simple ideas that help you create better-looking projects with less effort. The third design is the round top stool. A circular seat softens the overall look. It feels more organic and welcoming compared to sharp corners. The key detail here is symmetry. The round top should be perfectly balanced with the base. Smooth edges and a clean finish make this design feel polished and complete. The fourth design is the three-leg stool. Three legs create a unique visual style while also improving stability on uneven surfaces. This design feels modern and slightly unconventional. Spacing and angles are important. The legs should be evenly distributed to maintain balance and symmetry. The fifth design is the slatted stool. Instead of a solid seat, this design uses evenly spaced slats. This creates visual rhythm and texture. Consistency is key. Equal spacing makes the stool look clean and professional. This design works well in both indoor and outdoor settings. The sixth design is the cross-leg stool. The X-shaped base adds structure and visual interest. It also increases stability while keeping the design lightweight. This design looks more complex than it actually is, which makes it perfect for achieving a high-end appearance with simple construction. The seventh design is the floating seat stool. This design creates the illusion that the seat is floating. The support structure is slightly hidden, making the stool feel lighter and more modern. This subtle detail adds depth and makes the stool stand out. The eighth design is the curved edge stool. Soft curves make the stool feel more refined and comfortable. Instead of sharp lines, the edges are gently rounded. This design works well in modern interiors where softness balances clean structure. The ninth design is the storage stool. Function meets design here. Hidden storage adds practicality without affecting the clean look. The key is simplicity. The storage should be integrated seamlessly, without visible hardware. The 10th design is the stacked layer stool. This design uses multiple layers of wood to create depth and texture. The layers form a strong visual identity. Precision is important here. Clean alignment between layers creates a professional finish. As you look at these designs, you'll notice a pattern. None of them are overly complicated. What makes them look expensive is attention to detail, clean lines, proper proportions, and consistent finishing. Another important factor is material choice. Even simple wood can look premium when it is properly prepared and finished. Sanding, edge treatment, and finishing all play a major role. If you've made it this far, take a moment to like the video and tell us which stool design you would choose. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Finishing is where everything comes together. A smooth surface and the right finish can elevate even the simplest design. Whether you use oil, stain, or a natural finish, the goal is to highlight the wood's natural beauty. Placement also matters. A stool can be used in kitchens, living rooms, bedrooms, or workshops. Choosing the right design for the right space enhances both function and appearance. Another key idea is restraint. It's easy to overdesign, but the most expensive-looking pieces are often the simplest. Clean and intentional designs always stand out. By focusing on simplicity, you allow the form and material to speak for themselves. This creates a timeless look that doesn't go out of style. Before we wrap up, remember this: great design is not about complexity, it's about clarity. When every part of your stool has a purpose, the result feels complete and professional. Don't forget to subscribe to Craft Catalog for more practical woodworking ideas, design inspiration, and simple ways to create furniture that looks high-end without high costs. Thank you for watching, and we hope this inspires you to create wooden stools that not only serve a purpose but also elevate your space. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.